Hi you guys, today as you can see I'm going to attempt to do a shoe restoration. I don't know if you can see all the imperfections on here, but these shoes aren't even a month old. I guess they're just not durable as some other shoes my daughter has, or maybe at the playground at school she gets a little rough in them, but they have like a glitter type of material on them. I want to go ahead and see if I can go over this with my loose glitter. Like, I know this is a glitter fabric. Like you see, like this doesn't scrape off, but it's more like a fabric. I'm not going to cover the unicorn part because she really likes these. That's the main reason why I bought these shoes. But just look how dirty they are and kind of wrinkly on the toe and the shoestrings, my goodness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these shoestrings off. I'm going to take these off. I'm going to wash those. Look at the dirt. And we're going to see how we can restore these, because I know you all, some of you ladies may have children. Look at this. Even this, I've never had none of my Vans with this come off. I don't know what's going on. These are a toddler size 12 shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and take the laces off, clean them up a little bit, and try to revamp it and add some glitter here and some glitter here. And we'll just see how they turn out. Stay tuned. Okay, so I washed the shoes with a little Dawn just to get them a little clean. It didn't really do too much, but this is just an experiment just to kind of see how this play out. So I have some silver glitter that I'm just going to go over the shoe with as best I can. And then I'm going to use pink on the sole. So I'm going to go ahead and use the silver first. I have some Mod Podge glue I'm going to be using. And so this would be a good video, like if you have kids that are kind of rough on their shoes, or even just some old shoes you feel like got kind of dirty and you really can't donate them because they're a little too dirty. Don't throw those shoes away. Just don't. Keep them. Add some glitter to them. Clean them up a little bit for sanitation purposes. And just add a little bit of glitter to them. And glue. Add some glue and some glitter. I'm going to go as neat as I can. And I'm just going to cover all of this up. I don't really care about keeping the shoestring part white. And get you a small brush, but also get you one of these sponges. Those are good too. But I'm just going to use a small brush. 40 bucks for these shoes from Journeys. And she really likes these shoes, but it's like, sweetie, those shoes are a little too dirty, honey. You know, you don't really want your pretty little princess stepping out in those dirty shoes. So just kind of stay in your lines real good. If you can help it by just giving it like a little tune-up. That's what I'm doing. I'm just giving these shoes a little tune-up. And take them from damn to glam. And if you go over your lines, don't worry about it. Trust me, you can fix it. And even if this don't turn out exactly how I want it to look, like all spectacular, that's fine too, because they could just end up being just some play shoe only. But I have faith that I'm going to be able to turn this into something special. So, you know, I'm going to stop talking and just watch me put the glue on here. I'm gonna pour the glitter on now. Okay, and all this extra glitter, you're just gonna brush it off. That's all. If it were up to me, I'd cover this little unicorn up and just go a whole different color in here, but I'm gonna stick to my daughter's wishes. Baby, look, honey. To me, it's looking better already. Can you see the difference? Already. Okay. Now I'm going to work my way back here. Glitter back here. Okay, it's looking better already. Can you see the difference? Can you? It's coming together. It's coming back to life, honey. I really want to start this bottom part, but I think I need to just let this dry first. And I don't do any masking or anything, so I just want to be as steady as I can here. Add that to the entire sole of the shoe. Then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, that is pretty. Really, really pretty, because you see sparkles of pink inside this area of the shoe where the unicorn is. And my daughter just loves pink. So I'm going to turn the shoe around to this side. I know you can see the transformation already. It's already looking so good. So just take your time. And let's start back going over this rubber sole. I'll start here. With a generous amount of glue. Okay, at this part of the video, I had already added the second layer of glitter. For some reason, I forgot to record myself doing it. But this is the second layer of glitter for the silver. Now you're going to see me add a second layer of the pink glitter. So just go ahead and check out how I add that on. We're almost finished with this shoe and it's looking so much better already. Just check it out. how the shoe looks unsealed, but 2 layers of silver, 2 layers of pink. So now I'm going to make my sealant, which consists of glitter, water, and now I'm going to add a little Mod Podge to it. You'll have to eyeball it, so I don't have like a special recipe to it. So you just have to eyeball it. You don't want it to be too thick, you don't want it to be too thin, so that's why I say you have to eyeball it yourself. Add plenty of glitter to it. Don't be shy about that part, because that's what helps it, the finish of it, stay shiny. Mix that up just like that. Sometimes it might seem a little too watery, but it'll still be fine, as long as you put it in front of a fan or something right away. I think that's fine. Okay, so let me go ahead and add the sealant. So here, what you see me doing is adding the sealant. This is very important. You cannot skip this step because all of the glitter will eventually flake off of your shoe. If you want the glitter to stay as decently and best as it can, you want to seal it. So just go ahead and do this process for both colors that you're using, or if you're using all one color, make sure you seal your glitter if you want the best effect for your shoe. Also, make sure you allow the glue to cure. Let the shoes dry either in front of some type of floor blower. It's like a powerful fan. If you don't have one of those, just use a regular fan. Just let the shoes sit out in the sun, or just let them sit, period. If you have no type of fan or anything to dry them with, I would let them sit for like 2 to 3 days. But if you have some type of blower, like a high capacity blower or a fan, maybe 24 hours. Let the glue cure as best possible for the best results. And I wouldn't wear these shoes on a rainy day, stumping in puddles. No. I have my water, Mod Podge, and glue mixture. I'm going to seal the pink. Okay, this is starting to run on top of my pink, so I'm just going to go over it like that. And you want to go ahead and seal this right away, and hurry up and put it back on the air blow dryer. Now we're going to blow dry it and come back and see the finished result. And voila! Here is the finished result. I added some beads just to add some cool little colors. Some hair beads. I washed the shoestrings. Some of it could have been washed a little bit better, but if you don't want to wash the shoestrings, that's fine. Just buy some more. But don't put the same dirty shoestrings back in, of course. But look at this. And I'm going to insert some before pictures so you can see how wore down these shoes are. See, look. I should have just covered that up, but whatever. But I think these came out really cute. I'm sure she's going to be very pleased. Let me know what you guys think about the revamp of this broken down shoe that's not even a month old, barely. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.